Moral story. This story is all about three clever fishes. In a lake, there were three fishes who were great friends. The first fish was very smart. The second one knew how to find his way out of trouble. And the third one was adamant and hated changes. The first fish overheard a fisherman conversation about coming back the next day and fishing in the lake. Sensing danger, the first fish cautioned his friends to move out of the lake. The second fish said, I will stay here and find a way if I am caught. The third fish said, I do not want to move out. I will remain here, and if I have to get caught, I will. The first fish moved out. The next day, the fisherman arrived and caught the other two fishes. The second one cleverly escaped by pretending to be dead. The third fish did nothing, got caught, and died. Moral of the story: be clever in the challenging situation of life. Keywords from story: trouble, a problem, difficulty or a situation causing distress. Adamant, not willing to change, an opinion or decision. Overheard, to hear without the speaker's intention or knowledge. Cautioned, to warn someone. Caught, to be detected doing something wrong or illegal, or to be involved in a situation that is difficult to escape. Pretending, acting as if something is true when it is not, often for play. Opposites from story: find, lost, out, in, move, stay, hate, like, here, away, dead, alive, got, lose, back, friend, arrive, leave. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again with another story. Till then, take care.